Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Here we are with another one of our oddball jobs here this morning. We have one of our customers at Anytime Fitness. They have some stickers and decals on the windows that they need removed. So let me show you what we're dealing with here this morning. So we got this bank of stickers right here. You can see they're all just dried out and peeled. They're just peeling off here on the side. Hopefully a lot of that will just come off, but bottom parts are they just break right off, so that's going to be a little bit of a challenge. And we got this up along here and down this side. Not sure what that looks like. Something on the inside that might be a crack, but at any rate, this is what we got going on here this morning, so let's get busy before it gets too hot. Alright, so we're all done here. Let me show you how these windows turned out. Yep, came out really good. It was a pain in the butt getting all that stuff off and then the glue behind it. But yeah, they look 1,000 times better for the front of the store. Alright, there's another oddball job by Supreme Pressure Washing. We'll see you at the next one.